Turbo pumps come in many different designs based on manufacturer. In modern turbo pumps, bearings, which support the rotor assembly, are either sealed greased ceramic or stainless type, or are lubricated via felts or cartridge reservoirs. In the second type, preventative maintenance must be done to ensure the longevity of the bearing. For Pfeiffer turbo pumps, the bearing is lubricated by an oil-filled felt reservoir, which the manufacturer recommends replacing at various intervals based on usage. Today, we'll demonstrate how to change the reservoir. First, invert the turbo so the inlet is facing the tabletop. Remove the bolts that hold the base down. The oil cartridge sits below the bearing. From this perspective, the cartridge is on top of the bearing. When removing the cartridge, note the color. Blonde or yellow shows the cartridge is in decent condition, with life left in it. Blackening indicates the lubrication is running out and there's damage to the bearing. Losing lubrication can mean a shorter lifespan for your bearing. When the bearing fails, especially if the pump is running at full speed, it can cause the rotor to crash, destroying the functionality of the pump. High-pitch whining, changes in amp draw, and changes in vibration are all things to look for to assess your turbo pump health. Have questions? The experts at Provac can assist.